Let me show you how to blur in DaVinci Resolve. Let's say this is the clip you wanna blur. So first, you need to open the effects panel. Click open FX and search for Gaussian Blur. Now, drag this effect into the clip you want to blur, just like that. And go to the inspector window to adjust the strength of your blur by adjusting this slider, just like that. Now, what if you want to blur a specific subject only, not the entire screen? Let's edit this clip. In this example, I want to blur the face of this man. So first, we need to copy and paste to duplicate the clip. Now we have two clips. I want to bring the second clip above the original clip, just like that. And then let's go back to the effects panel. Let's drag the Gaussian blur to the clip above. This is important. You drag the effect to the clip above. Now, adjust the blur strength in the inspector window by adjusting this slider, right? Now, under your playback, click this drop down and click crop. Make sure that the clip above was the one selected. Now, align this rectangle to the part you wanna blur. Right, just like that. You can adjust the softness to make the blur softer or sharper. Now, look at the result. And that's how you apply blur in DaVinci Resolve. For more tutorials just like this, please don't forget to subscribe.